Welcome to this video on how to wind a bobbin for your sewing machine. We all have different brands of machine, but winding a bobbin is pretty much the same or very similar on all of them. I'm going to show you how I do it on my Janome TXL 607. First of all, make sure you're using a bobbin which is correct for the brand of your sewing machine. For example, the Janome bobbins have a J on the inside. Now put your thread reel onto the thread pin and then put the spool holder cap on the pin after it to hold it in place. Draw your thread out from underneath the reel. Pass it around the thread guide. Usually there's a diagram on your machine showing you how to do it. Now guide the thread through the hole in the top of the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Place the bobbin on the bobbin winder pin. Push the bobbin to the right to signify to the machine that you want it to wind the bobbin. Hold the thread in your hand and then start the machine. Once it's wound a few layers, stop it and cut the end of the thread off close to the bobbin. Start the machine again and wait for it to fill up. It will slow down or automatically stop when it's full. Move the bobbin back to the left. Cut the thread and your bobbin is now ready to put into your machine and get sewing. Check out my video on how to thread your sewing machine if you need support in how to do that.